Welcome to this week's episode of EThekwini News in 60 seconds, your weekly roundup of municipal news that matters. EThekwini Municipality's full council granted authority to the city's engineering directorate to reprioritize savings of 42.8 million rand to address projects already in progress, which include rehabilitation of roads, bridges and stormwater management. The 4th Annual Durban Tourism Business Awards honored innovation and excellence within the tourism sector, providing a platform to showcase Durban as the best tourism and investment destination. The 55.5 million rand functional upgrade of the Ntuzuma 2 pump station is making steady progress, with 70% of the work complete. The project is scheduled for completion in November this year. 7 inner city buildings are being renovated to make them structurally safe and painted to improve the aesthetic appeal as part of eradicating bad buildings in the city. That's it for this episode. Catch you next week.